Okay. I always forgot my audio. Good evening, Anne.
Good evening, teacher.
Okay, wow. I'm happy again because I saw you today. How are you?
I'm good.
You're good. Okay, because you are off last Saturday. Am I right? Or last Tuesday, right? We
Mm,
can't see. We can't learn last Tuesday. Yes? So, oh, what happened? What did you do last Tuesday?
mm,
Hmm?
I I
Where did you go? Mm-hmm.
I went to my
School?
my cousin went to the USA.
Oh, I see. So you went to their house because they are was so your cousin went to the USA.
Yeah,
Okay. All right. So you have time together. So did you go to their house or did you go to the restaurant with your cousin?
go to pilot.
To to the airport.
Yeah,
Oh, I see. Okay. So because your cousin went to the USA. Wow. And how about you? Do you want to go to the USA in the future?
yeah.
Oh, I see. Yes, you can go there. And you can go there easily because you you can speak English very well and you understand English. Okay? So keep on studying so that in the future you can go to the USA. Okay?
Okay.
All right. And what do you want to do there? What do you want to do in the USA?
I want go to the big supermarket.
Oh, I see. So you want to go to the big supermarket and to buy big snacks? Okay. So don't forget to buy me some big chocolates, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm just kidding, but I hope that you can go to the USA in the future, okay?
Okay.
All right. So thank you very much for sharing. Now I will share my screen, okay? So for a moment. Okay. Where is your little brother? Is he sleeping?
He was moving.
Oh, so he is watching movie. Okay. So after our lesson, you can watch movies too, okay? All right. So can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So now, all right. So going to town. So our topic is in number 12. Okay. So I will make it big. Now, and look at the so look at the map. So find the places on the map and number the words. Okay? So first, please take a look at the map. Now, okay. So look at number 1. What can you see in number 1? Oh, it has an airplane. So what place is this? Is this a school or a university or airport?
Airport.
Yes. Oh, and uh you bring or you went there last Tuesday, right? Okay. So now look at number 2. So it's a sky. Okay?
Sky.
Sky. Very good. Next, number 3, it is, oh, look at this. And this is a hotel.
Hotel.
Yes, very good. Next, number 4 is a sky scrapers. Can you please say it? Sky scrapers.
A sky. Rivers.
Okay, one more time. Sky
Sky.
scrapers.
Rivers.
Okay, very good. Next, look at number 5. Oh, what's this? Please say ambulance.
Ambulance.
Okay, very good. Next, number 6. All right, so it's a motorway.
Motorway.
Okay, so this is a motorway. Next, look at number 7. Okay, so this is a police station.
Police station.
Yes, very good. Next, let's go to number 9. Okay, where is number 9? All right. So this is museum.
Museum.
Okay, very good. And next, number 10. Oh, look at this.
School. School.
Yes, it's school. Or you can say university. Mhm.
Mm,
University.
University.
Yes, when you were in college, you will go to university. Okay, and many people or your classmates called you, "Hey, Miss Anne." Okay, all right. Next, number 7. Okay, what's this? Please say it's a railway station. Railway
Railway
station.
station.
Okay, great job. Next, number 12. Oh, what's this, Anne? Do you know what's this?
Football.
Yes? Okay, but you can say stadium.
Stadium.
Yes, and you can play football inside the stadium or in the stadium, okay? All right. Next, number 13. Okay, so this is post office. Okay,
Post office.
very good. Next, number 14. Okay, so look at this. All right, so it's a chemist. Okay, can you please say chemists?
Tennis.
Okay, like, uh, okay, so it's a chemist. Okay, next, number 15. Oh, look at this. Please say traffic.
Traffic.
Okay, so in Holly and Harry's place, there they have a traffic too. So they experience traffic. All right. So next, let's go to number 16. Okay.
The park.
Mm-hmm. What's
The
this?
park.
Oh, okay. One more time.
The park.
Park.
Yes.
Okay. But so this is a bank. Okay. So before you go to the supermarket, your mom go to the bank to get money to buy you some snacks. Okay?
Yes.
All right. So next, number 17. Look at this. What's this? What are these?
Bicycle.
Yes, or because there are four bicycles, so please say bicycles.
Bicycles.
Very good. Okay, so next let's go to number 18. Oh, what's this?
Fighter.
Okay, or this one. Oh, so number 18 is this. Yes, firefighter or fire engine.
Fire engine.
Okay, so firefighter is the man or the people who fight for the fire. Okay, but this one is fire engine. Okay,
Fire engine.
okay, very good. Next, let's go to number 19. Okay, so number 19, this is the place. So please say station.
Fire station.
Okay, very good. And look at this. They also have a factory.
Factory.
Yes. So this place when you're uh they make or they made your snacks in the factory. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. And how about number 21? Okay. So what's this? Taxi.
Taxi.
Okay, very good. So this is Holly and Harry's town. Okay,
Okay.
so now, okay, so let's go to this one. Hmm. So now we are going to put numbers on each words. Okay, do you remember? Okay, like for example, university is number 10. Right? So let's check. Mhm. Okay, look at the university. It's in number 10. Okay,
Okay.
so now let's go to, all right. So let's answer airport number.
One.
Okay, wow, very good. Next, how about taxi?
Mm,
It's in the last number.
21.
Okay, wow, you're memorized. Your memory is good. So this is number 21. How about the traffic?
Traffic.
Yes. Oh, this one.
Number 15.
15. Okay. Next, bicycles.
Bicycle.
Hmm.
Number 17.
17. Okay. Very good. Okay. Next, can you please read and then say the number?
Balloon.
Okay. One more time. Ambulance.
Ambulance.
Very good. So, what number is the ambulance? Okay. Ta-da.
Ambulance. Uh, Number 5.
Oh, okay. So, next, please read.
Fire. Fire engine.
Okay. One more time. Fire engine.
Fire engine.
Very good. And now, what number is the fire engine?
Mm, Number 18.
Yes. Okay. Very good. It's number 18. Okay. Now, can you please read this?
Hotel.
Okay. So
Uh,
let's go back here. What is the number?
number number mm,
Is it 3 or 4?
number 4.
Mm-hmm.
Number 4.
Okay. Or number 3. Because number 4 is skyscrapers. Okay?
Breakfast.
Yes. Okay. So let's put number 4 here. Next, let's go to, can you please read this?
Fire station.
Okay, very good. So, where, what number is the fire station?
Number 19.
Yes, perfect. So, number 19. Next, please read this and
Police station.
police station. And what number is the police station? Do you remember?
Number 7.
Very good. It's number 7. Okay, so let's put number 7. Okay, now please read this.
Railway station.
Yes, very good. Railway station. Okay, so where is the railway station? What number is the railway station?
Number 20. Number
Mm-hmm.
number 11.
Okay, so it's number 11. Okay, so next, can you please? I'm sorry. Okay, so now How about this one?
Motorway.
Okay, so where is what number is the motorway?
Number number
Mm-hmm.
15.
Is it? Okay, so this is the motorway. Okay. Okay. Yeah, yes.
Number 6.
Yes, number six. Okay, very good. Next. Okay, can you please read this one?
Museum.
Okay, that's nice. But please say museum.
Museum.
Perfect. So, what number is the museum?
Museum.
Mhm.
Number 9.
Number nine? Yes, you are correct. Okay. Wow, amazing. Next, can you please read this?
And 6 story.
Okay. Please say factory.
Factory.
Okay, where is the factory?
Factory.
Number?
Number 20.
Yes, number 20. Okay.
This
Next. All right. How about this one? Please read. Ke.
chemist.
Okay, once more. Chemists.
Chemist.
Okay. And what number is the chemists?
Number chemist.
Mhm.
Number 14.
Yes, you are correct. Number 14. All right. Now, can you please read this?
Number 4.
Mm-hmm.
Number 4.
Yes, you are correct. It's number 4, but can you please read this?
Sky. Scraper.
Okay, once more. Sky scrapers.
Sky. Scraper.
Yes, very good. Next, how about this one?
Sky.
Number?
Number 2.
Yes. Okay. Perfect. So it's number 2. Next, please read
Stadium.
stadium. What number is the stadium? Number. This one.
Number 12.
Yes, number 12. Okay. Next, can you please read this?
Post
Post.
Post office.
Okay, and what number is the post office?
Post office. Number. mm,
Uh-huh. Okay, so this is the post office.
Number
Number,
13.
yes, number 13. Next, can you please read this? Oh, it heals.
Hill.
Yes, heals. Number
Number 15.
mm-hmm,
Number 15.
15. Is it number 15? Okay, where is number 15? Mm-hmm. 15 is traffic.
Mm.
How about the heels? Oh, we forgot the heels. And look at this. This is the heels. Okay?
The
The small
mountain.
mountains. Yes, it's a small mountain. So we called it hills. Okay?
Hills.
Yes, if it is big, so we called it mountain. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So hills is number 8. Okay, very good. Next, how about this one? Can you please read this?
Number 16.
And can you please read?
Bank.
Bank. Okay. When mom goes to the bank and gets some money to buy Anne's snack. Okay. All right. So let's check. Let's check it. Yes, you got a perfect score. Congratulations. Okay. So, and because you read it very well. So, great job, Anne. All right. Now, let's go to the next page. Okay. So, now read, look at the map on page 12 and write yes or no. Okay. So, because you are very smart, Anne, let's try to answer it. Okay. So, you will answer it by yes or no. Okay. So, do you remember the map?
Ye-
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So, number 1 is, can you please read number 1? The
There
chemist.
are there are some
Mhm.
sky.
Number 1 first. The
The
chemists.
the chemist is next to the pen.
Okay. So, the answer is no. Because, okay, let's go back to the map. Mhm. Because, so the answer is no because the chemist is number 14 next to the post office, right?
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So now let's go back. Okay. So next, can you please read number 2? There are. Mhm. Can you
There
see it?
are there are some sky ripples next to the hospital.
Okay. Is it yes or no?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. So it's no because next to the hotel.
Hmm.
Okay. But it's a nice try. Okay, and we didn't finish this, so we answered it the next time, or we answer it the next time. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So, and before we end this class, I have something for you again. Okay. So, tan tananan, tananan, tananan. I will give you. Okay. All right, for a moment. Oh, wow, I love it. Okay, what is the name of your toy?
Her her name Peach.
Pe- Peach. Yes. Oh, or we called it Peachy. Okay. Hello, Peachy. Oh, wow. You have a very beautiful toy. So, good
I
night,
like
Peachy.
My
Mm-hmm.
my cousin gift is for me.
Oh, okay. One more time. My cousin gave it to me.
My cousin
G-
give
Gave
it
it to me.
to me.
Yes, very good. So please take good care of Peachy, okay? All right. So thank you very much, Anne, and have a good night.
Good night,
Okay.
teacher.
See you. Thank you.